It's time to learn from nature. It's time to learn from nature. It's time to learn from nature about our God. We thank you for creation. We thank you for creation. We thank you for creation. We thank you, O God. We thank you, O God.
Children, how are you today? I'm hot. It's a hot, hot day. How are you doing? We are going to talk about nature, something God made, something you will find on rivers, ponds. It's something that flies. It was first in North America, Europe, Asia. Those are big continents. And then it came down to South Africa and other places. Feathers. It says quack quack or something like that. It's a duck. We are going to talk about the mallard duck. The mallard duck. Look at it. Look at this male mallard. Look how beautiful he looks. What colors do you see?
Brown,
White,
dark blue, yellow.
beautiful colors. God made a beautiful animal when he made the mallard duck. But it doesn't stay like that all the time. After they've mated, mommy mallard, daddy mallard, and it's now time for the eggs to start and be warmed up so that they can eventually hatch, in the hot, hot summer, something changes. Daddy mallard loses his colorful feathers. They get a bit old, maybe they get a bit tattered, torn up. If he keeps the old feathers, he won't be able to fly properly. So God said, time for those old feathers to come off. And then you know what's left? Brown feathers. And then after a time, those brown feathers fall off and the beautiful colors, new feathers that are beautiful, come out again. Different colors. It's like God's creation in the world. Different noses, different mouths, lips, different shapes of the head, different kinds of hair. When it's different, it's even more beautiful. And that's the duck. Different colors make it look more beautiful. Don't you think so? The mallard duck had beautiful feathers. Different colors are variety. Differences, it's me. You can say it's variety. A variety of colors. Different. And then it became brown when the old ones went away. I said, the old ones are tired and old. Tired, damaged. Maybe some of the feathers have fallen off. It's not safe. He needs brand new, strong feathers. That's why he gets the new ones. Do they come on top of the brown ones? All the different layers fall off. They molt. They molt. The ducks molt. First, the colorful feathers, they disappear. The duck is molting. Gone. And then what's there? New brown feathers. They also disappear. The duck molts. And then come new, fresh, strong feathers. They don't just go on top of each other. Imagine how heavy the duck would be if it kept all these different kinds of feathers. It wouldn't make sense, would it? It's like if I say, I want to be clean. This dress has got spots. Oh, oopsie. I messed up my sleeve. I made a mess. I want to be clean. I know. I'm going to put a new dress on top of this one. Am I really clean? I must take the dirty one off. Put it in the laundry so it can be washed, and then I put on a clean one. Then I really am clean. That's what Jesus wants us to do. Jesus wants you to do good things. And if you do the bad things, must you keep them? Nope, we must get rid of them. They must go away, disappear. How will we do that? Jesus, I'm sorry. Please help me to be kind. Please forgive me for being mean to my brother. Amen. And then you will stop being mean. You get rid of it. You're molting the naughtiness. You're molting the selfishness and the meanness, and you are kind. Those are your new feathers. Every time you must think of yourself. These lessons are for you to remember. Every time you say, I'm sorry, God, I'm going to be kind, you are molting like the mallard duck. You're getting something new and better. Jesus' heart, a kind, sharing heart. Much better, much stronger than yours. Next time you see a mallard duck, remember, it loses and gets. It loses and gets. You must lose all the yuckiness, all the mean words, and get good, kind words from Jesus, who made the birds and who made you. I'll see you later.